One man used the FBI to destroy his enemies. His name, Whitey Bulger. He was not just a gangster, he was the most protected criminal in America. For years, corrupt FBI agents give him secret information. Every time the police tried to catch him, he already knew. Then in 1994, he disappeared for 16 years until in 2011 the FBI finally found him. But his story did not end there. If you want to know how one man tricked an entire government, watch the full story on Final Trees.